Hello students, I am Parvez Sheikh, maths teacher. Due to the corona pandemic crisis, we won't be able to go to schools and study, but at the same time, we can't stop our studies. So, here I am going to provide you maths lecture on this channel Sunrise Maths Academy and keep you updated with maths. So, stay home, stay safe and keep studying and stay updated. Hello students. In the first chapter we have seen knowing our numbers. We have studied few things related to numbers. Here we are going to introduce you with a group of numbers and understand what that group is. To start with, first I would like you to start counting with me. Start counting your fingers. Start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, you can go on and count till 10. And if you're counting something else, you can go on and counting those things. What these numbers are, what are we doing? We are using the numbers 1, 2, 3. Like this, we can use numbers. And we know these numbers can be infinite. These numbers are called counting numbers. We use these numbers for counting and these numbers are called counting numbers. These numbers are also called natural numbers, which is denoted by capital letter N. These natural numbers start from 1 and they are infinite. We can count infinitely using these numbers. But when we were counting, if we say 0 fingers, are we counting anything? No. But 0 is included in this. It becomes from here the natural numbers are written 1, 2, 3 and till infinite. If we include 0, this set of number becomes whole numbers, which is denoted by capital letter W. So that's our chapter, whole numbers. We are going to study whole numbers. The first thing in this is representing the whole numbers on the number line. The whole numbers start from 0. So here we are going to put the first number 0 and put all the numbers following 0. And we can put the numbers infinitely on the number line. The arrow shows that it can be extended. That is representation of whole numbers on the number line. And using this number line, we are going to see the operations of whole numbers on the number line. So the operations that we have, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All these 4 operations, we'll see how to do that on a number line. The first one, addition of whole numbers on number line. So if you take any 2 whole numbers, say 4 plus 5, we have to add 4 and 5. On the number line, the first digit that is given, 4. So you start from that digit 4. Now, when we are adding on the number line, we have to add 5. When we add, we have to move to the right side. So from 4, we have to move to right 5 steps because we have to add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The final value that we are getting is 9. That's the answer. 4 plus 5 is 9. Here, what you have to remember, you have to show the direction that you have moved, that is, you have moved to the right. So you have to show the arrows. You have to highlight what value you have got and that value you have to write here. So that's addition of whole numbers on the number line. You have to do subtraction using number line. The same thing, But in addition, we move to the right. In subtraction, we have to move to the left. 6 minus 4. Starting from the first digit, that is 6. You have to move to the left. In subtraction, you have to move to the left. So starting from 6, you are going to move to the left. How many steps you have to move? 4. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. That is, you have got the value 2. So that's your final answer. 6 minus 4 is 2. What you need to show here? The direction. That is important because in subtraction you are moving to the left. In addition you are moving to the right. The next operation we have is multiplication. In addition and subtraction, we started from the first digit and we moved to the right in addition and to the left in subtraction. But in multiplication, you have to see, you have to start from 0 and here it is given 2 into 3. So this is your step. That is how big your step is. Your step is 2 numbers. So that is your first step. And number of steps. Number of steps or number of jumps. So 3 jumps. 2, that is first jump, second jump and third jump. You have moved to the right, so show the direction. The value you have got is 6. 2 into 3. This is the step that you are taking. The 2 numbers. You have taken jump of 2 and you have taken 3 jumps. Therefore, 3 steps you have reached 6. That's your value. This is for multiplication. If you have to do the division on the number line, there is slight difference when you are doing multiplication and division. In division, ten divided by 2. So you have to start from 10. You will start from 10. This is your divisor. Sorry, this is your dividend. And 2. 2 means you have to take the jump of 2. And taking these jumps of 2, you have to reach 0. You have to reach 0. But your answer is not 0. Your answer is how many jumps you have taken. How many jumps you have taken? Count the jumps. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have taken 5 jumps. That's your answer. 10 divided by 2 is 5.